Good morning, beautiful people. Nature vibes. Sure, the boy living nature. Looking to head down to the job, leaving the mountain. I don't know. Sweet country nature vibe, tongue and country, St. Anne's in Trinidad. Nice little fruit tree. Call it fruit. Tambran days are always call it fruit. It's a tambran in a different form. Yeah, one of Trinidad fruit. Nice green. It's green and nice. Good morning, neighbor. You love the neighbor there. I head out in a Babylon system and do the Babylon work. And then come back and do my work later in the bush. Eh, place I get back greenery now start to fall. So that was the place. I look at green. When your rain really start to come down, the water will start to flow heavy. Lots of water and all that bush will get washed away. Yeah. So nice birds flying. Co-worker in the background, Caroline. Yeah, I know what literally is going on. Yeah. Co-worker going to work. Heading out in the Babylon system. So go and do the Babylon work. Babylon slavery work. Then we will come back later and cut a little bush and plant a little tree, plant some fruits, and do we work. And you have to balance it, you know. You have to balance it out here in life. Because right now, one hand can't clap. You got that 3 and 4 things going on for you to survive and for you to do your thing. Yeah. It ain't easy. But you got to do it. And you got to keep on pushing. Keep on doing your thing. You know what the struggle is. Alright? So yeah. Cutting it here, right? See where I now came from. Well, have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Well, I don't know. Kurt Boris TV. Keep it blessed.